enter directly. Open the doors. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now we are alive. Let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift you cannot see. No need to worry about tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment, make the most of life. Mabel, the light, be in the zone. Unexpected surprise. Spin the floor, making lost in the flow. Unexpected surprise. Wait and show, living, getting lost in the flow. Unexpected surprises during the night, during the night. Celebrate the joy that shines so bright. Love is in the air, we are taking flight. Let's dance all night, feeling so good.
By Asap.
Feeling so good. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now we are alive. Let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a give me tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment, make the most of life. Catch me in the zone, flowing to the beat. Unexpected surprises make life so sweet. There's no time for worries, just enjoying the ride. Every moment I'm savoring the vibe. Dancing through the rhythm like there's no tomorrow. From highs to lows, I'm embracing the sadness. Life is full of twists and turns, you know it's true. But when unexpected surprises arise, I break. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter, there's no time to stop. Right now, we are alive. Let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift you cannot see, no. Need to
Pero
worry,
dito banda, may
don't
bumabagsak.
need to worry about tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment, make the most of life.
So ngayon, kukunin na natin yung
Dancing in the ages, righteous, and out. Embrace the unknown. Live life without regrets.
ganito yung kabit. Tcharan!
Feeling good,
So,
feeling
yan yung
good.
nakuha natin.
Every day and
Tilapia.
every night, life is a journey full of spices. Gotta savor every slice.
And,
I have surprise around the corner. I can't predict, I can't pretend.
guys. So,
Just hug them, make them yours.
kakain muna kami bago
Enter
uwi.
directly. Open the doors.
Yan, tapos na kami ng fishing. So, nakakain lang kami. Then,
There's no time
ayun si Ramir tsaka si Achi.
right
Ayun.
now. We
Ang
are
lang
alive. Let's take
upo nilang
advantage
mag-ama.
and take that dip. Walking on the
Ganda
street,
upo nilang mag-ama.
feeling so free.
Ayan. Tapos guys, dito dam ito.
You cannot
Ayan, yung tubig na iyan, malalim yan.
worry about tomorrow.
Yan napupunta yung tubig. Then, bukas, sabi nila, babalik daw kami dito. Kasi, tatanggalin pala itong mga tubig. Kung maraming isda. Ang daming laman ng isda dito. May mga crab, may mga iba-ibang isda, may tilapia. Ayan, so ang ganda dito guys. Ayan, may naliligo. Ayan, pinapasyalan na rin dito guys. Tignan nyo kung mga magpapalakadang to. Ayan, nandito sila para masyal dito. Tapos tignan nyo dito, may lilim din naman dito kasi merong mango. Ayan, may mango dito. Ayan, kumuha ko ng mango guys. Iuwi ko. Free. For free. Ayan, merong yung palungkit yung haba. Ayan yung bag namin. Tapos yun. Ayan, yun yung kumain ka. Ayan mga barkada dito. Picnic din sila. So, ayan. Yun yung kwan dito guys. Ito yung dam sa Tubao. Yun yun. Ayan. Kanina, nandyan kami kanina sa baba. Doon kami dumaan pababa doon. Ayan, pababa doon. Ayan, mag-ama oh. Ayan sila. Ang ganda ng banding nila na mag-ama. Dito, ang daming puno-puno. Ganda dito kahit mga ano, may mga puno din. Daming mga puno. Sulilim din dito. So, okay lang. Kaso mainit na. Tsaka wala na kaming pain, kaya stop na kami. Thank you for watching guys.